What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Another beautiful day. Another day that we're here. Another day that we're able to shoot a video and talk about life. So, guys, shout out to everyone that's been still keeping me in your prayers. You know what it is, one day at a time. But also, things don't stop. Business is still being moved. Okay. And we're still doing what we got to do, okay? Now, again, shout out to everyone that watched the video regarding the insider scoop, guys, on the Direct Mail Pro program. This is going to be something very big. I hope that it kind of helped out with a lot of the questions and a lot of the spottiness that I had on my video, because, you know, we were just kind of taking a lot of information in from the Facebook group, and, you know, we just wanted to get a jump on video. So pretty much I wanted to share that information with you guys, so that way the owner of this, one of the owners of the system here, the actual owner of the system, sorry, is actually giving you this information where you can actually hear it firsthand. Like, okay, this is what it is, this is what we're going to be doing, yada, 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 okay? And that's why I wanted to really share that video with you guys. Now, as I mentioned, with my people, my team, everyone that looks to join with me, thank you in advance. Guys, I'm giving my team until September to go, because I know this is something fairly new to a lot of people, and some people are like, oh man, it's higher levels. Not everyone is in a position where they can just drop $500 or $250 or $1,000 to just jump in a program. So I still deal with a lot of, you know, normal people. You know, not when I say normal, I mean people that go to work a 9 to 5. You know, that still have income, that they have to have income in certain areas, and they can get to it, but sometimes they just need a little time to get it. And that's why I wanted to start my launch in September. I wanted to give you guys a heads up of what's going on, how it's going to work, but I wanted to start our launch in September, guys, because I want this to be something that, you know, everyone could go hard with and be focused. That's the main idea, is to be focused. I don't want us to be over here, over there, over this and that. No, I don't want us doing that, guys. I want us to really be focused and have marketing. And like, we're going to have a marketing system in place. Or if you want to have something that brands yourself and, you know, things like that, we always teach you that, you know, where you can, it's always good to have a residual income, or have like a marketing system that does all the selling and telling for you, or something that you can pretty much have your leads to come in and you can still filter out, okay? So that's why I always say, you know, you want to have a marketing system. It just maximizes your income. Now, with this particular program, again, you're going to have so much leverage because of your team, you know. So as long as you're engaged and your team is working, guys, you're going to pretty much make money, because if you're not even at those product levels, you're still getting 20%. Wow, how amazing is that? Well, you're still going to be able to get 20% even when you're not at those levels, man. So that helps you where you can bank off all your money, and then say, I want to upgrade. This program is designed for you to win, guys, and I'm loving what's going on. I'm definitely loving it. I was on the webinar yesterday, so if you have not checked it out, guys, I'm not about to sit here and repeat something that was done very excellent by one of the owners of the system. I'm going to leave the link in the video. I'm going to leave the video in the description for you guys to check that out. If you want to get on my list there, then definitely click the link at the bottom as well, what they'll say, the TCP. So then that way, guys, when, you know, when we're starting to go live or anything like free trainings and things like that with the team, you guys are aware, because you're on that particular list of Direct Mail Pro. So guys, let's win. Again, shout out to TCP with the early morning payout. Guys, I love TCP. It's a marketing system that I pretty much use to promote any business that I promote, or you can utilize to promote any business. You can buy leads in the back office. You can pretty much brand yourself, and they give you 14 days free. Bam. Check it out. All right, guys, this your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.